The bathroom scale is a liar. Not always, but every single morning. It jumps 2 or 3 pounds on water and sleep and calls it progress, or the lack of it. This is the weight loss and body transformation tracker, and it fixes that by showing you the trend instead of the number, plus the 9 other things that actually prove you're changing: your measurements, your photos, your macros, your habits, and your wins. Let me show you around. You know the morning. You did everything right. You step on the scale, and it's up a pound. Your whole day tilts. Here's the truth. A single morning is mostly water, not fat. So meet Maya, the sample saver whose 8-week cut ships inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. Every number in this video comes from Maya's real, recalculated workbook. And one rule runs the sheet. You only type in the cream cells. Everything else fills itself in. This is the dashboard. The gray line is Maya's daily weight, jagged, bouncing, honest. The bold line underneath is the 7-day average, and it just keeps falling. Today's number is 176.8. The average, the one that matters, is 177.4. 8.2 pounds down, 33% of the way to goal, losing about 1 pound a week. On a morning the scale spikes. You look here, and you keep going. And weigh in every day if you like. More data points make the 7-day line smoother and more honest, not less. The scale is only one of 10 measures, and it's the moodiest. The tape measure doesn't lie. Maya's waist went from 35 inches to 33.2, down almost 2 inches in 8 weeks. That's the number that keeps moving on the week the scale sulks. And pairing it with the progress photos gives you proof you can actually see, not just a figure that argues with you every morning. Log your waist in a few other spots every couple of weeks, and the change from start column does the subtraction for you. Your targets aren't guesses. From your stats and your goal, the sheet sets a calorie and macro target using the Mifflin formula. For Maya, 1,639 calories and 167 grams of protein a day. Log your food, pick any date, and it shows that day's totals against the target. Here she's at 1,730, a touch over, but protein is the one to chase, and the sheet keeps it in front of you every day. You can't control the scale on any given day, but you can win the day. Tick the daily basics on plan, protein, water, steps, sleep, and log a non-scale victory. Clothes fitting better, more energy, the waist coming down. The sheet scores each day and counts your on-plan streak for days and climbing. Because a run of good days is the only thing that ever moved a trend line. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 576 formulas. Before anything you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 errors, and passed 33 out of 33 independent math checks. Every screen in this video is that real file for additions in the box, and it works the same in Excel and in free Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Enter your stats and your goal tonight. It takes 2 minutes, and start weighing in. Let the average carry you past the bad mornings, and let the inches, the photos, and the streak show you the change the scale keeps hiding. The weight loss and body transformation tracker is $14.97, one time, for additions, free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. The scale is 1 number. Your progress is 10.